So you're working on a scene in Google Vids and you want to add a transition for it so that you get that nice seamless look and it looks nicer as it transitions from scene to scene. Make sure you select the scene you want to edit the transition for. Once you have that, go to the scene menu, click on transition, and then you'll get this little pane on the right-hand side. It will illustrate the different transitions. Right now it's none. If you hover over dissolve, right, it'll give you a preview of that: fade, push, slide, scale, spin, flicker. And another way you can access that pane of transitions is to go down here right before that slide. And if you click on that, this will be the transition into that slide. And if you click on the other one, it will be the transition between this slide and the next one. So there's different ways you can add those nice little transitions, make your videos look a little bit more professional, add a nice touch. Google Vids lets you do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.